Okay guys, lesson 6. Today we're going to look at these two verbs, take and bring. Now, everybody knows these, but they do cause some trouble. So let's try and sort them out, okay? Now, the movement of take is similar to go, and the movement of bring is similar to come. Let's have a look at a couple of examples which show the direction. Direction is the key, the direction of these two verbs. Let's look at this first example. Take these flowers to the living room. Well, the flowers and the speaker are in the same position, but the speaker wants the flowers to move to another position, away from the speaker, okay? So in that case, we use the word take. We use the verb take. Take these flowers to the living room from here towards the living room, away from the speaker, okay? That's the direction of take. Now, let's look at bring. Bring me the tools from the garden, okay? In this case, it's clear. The speaker and the tools are not in the same position at all. They're not in the same place. But the speaker wants the tools to come to where the speaker is. Therefore, we have bring coming towards the speaker. The direction is towards. Take, away from the speaker. Bring, towards the speaker, okay? If you keep those two different directions in your mind, that will really help you use these two correctly. So let's go back to the really basic meaning of take, right? So take, the image of take is to put something in your hands. So have a look at the first example. Choose a card. You can imagine doing a magic trick, right, with some cards. Choose a card. Take anyone you like. I put the card into my hands. So this action, putting it into your hands, that's the action of take, okay? Okay, let's move on to a couple of examples where you need to use a little bit of imagination. Okay, here we go. I have to go to bed early. I'm taking my driver's test tomorrow. Well, driver's test is not like a card that you physically take, but you have to imagine it's like a thing and you take it, right? So you put the driver's test into your hand. And the last one, how long will it take to drive to Los Angeles? Well, here we have to imagine like a block of time, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, and you put that block of time into your hand, and therefore we say, how long will it take? It will take 2 hours, it will take whatever time, okay? So let's move on to bring, the image of bring. The image of bring is basically a movement towards a certain place, okay? So here, I'll bring snacks if you bring drinks. It's very important to imagine the speaker's mind. That's where the position is, right? Not the physical position, but what's happening in the speaker's mind. Where does the speaker think he or she is, okay? So here, I'll bring snacks if you bring drinks. It's possible to use take. I'll take snacks if you take drinks. If in the speaker's mind, we're here and the party is over there, then I move towards the party and I will take snacks and drinks. But in this case, the speaker's mind is already at the party. So it's the opposite. I'll bring, moving towards the party. I'll bring snacks if you bring drinks. The opposite direction, which we talked about earlier. Okay? So in this case, the direction depends on what's happening in the speaker's mind. Got it? Okay guys, here we go again. Express yourself corner. Are you ready? This is your chance to show us how well you've understood this. So here's the question. Think about it and think of your best answer. Go. Are you ready? Do you have any questions? Yes, I have a question. Da-da-da-dum. What's the question? Yes, you can, if they cost less than 500 yen. Now, do you want to see my sample? Yes. Is it okay to bring snacks for the school trip? So I've used bring. What did you use? Great success, I hope. Okay, so these two very common verbs, take and bring. Have you got a clear idea of the difference? Please keep in mind the direction. That will really help you use these two verbs successfully. Okay? Good luck.